Effective November 10, 2020, Major General Debold Sinas is the chief of the Philippine National Police. President Duterte has chosen the head of NCRPO to replace General Camilo Cascolan. Sinas is a PNP chief who drew public ire over a pre-dawn birthday party or Mañanita. It happened during the strict COVID lockdown in May. According to the palace, appointing Sinas is a presidential prerogative. Sinas hails from Butuan City. He belongs to PMA Hinirang class of 1987. Sinas will serve as head of the PNP until May 2021.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.